Hi guys, I'm in a jungle with my toy collection box. Let's find out some toys in this jungle and collect it in our collection box. Let's do this. First, we have to put our collection box here. Oh friends, it's looking so empty. Let's fulfill this. Let's fulfill this box with toys. Let's find out one by one. Oh friends, I got some toys I guess. Oh friends, it's a red and olive color police car. Very nice looking car friends. A police car. Let's put it in the box. Let's find some more toys. Oh friends, I got a skateboard. A Spider-Man edition skateboard friends. Let's put it in the collection box. Yoink. Let's find out some more toys. Oh friends, I got a mutation car. Yellow and blue color. Oh, transformer car. Let's put it in the collection box. Yoink. Whoa friends, we got another toy in this jungle. Yellow and blue color. A crane truck. Let's put it in the collection box. Yoink. Let's find some new toys friends. Oh friends, I see something in that water. Let's see what is this. Oh friends, it's an water player in the water. Yo, whoa, boom, boom. Let's put it in the collection box. Let's do this. Yoink. Oh friends, I got to see something. A green color. A big size bike friends. Very powerful looking bike friends. Let's put it in the collection box. Yoink. Let's find more toy. Whoa friends, I got one toy in the water again. Let's see what is this. Oh friends, I got a sea turtle in the water. So cute. Let's put it let's put it in the collection box friends. Let's do this. Yoink. Oh friends, I got a aircraft. Let's put it in the box. Yoink. And let's find some more toys. Let's see. Oh friends, I got to see something. Oh friends, it's a powerful yellow color big size supercar. Let's put it in the collection box. Yoink. Let's find some more toys. Oh friends, I got one toy. Oh friends, I got an oil tanker track between this rock. Let's put it in the collection box. Join. Let's see. Oh friends, I got a pink color SpongeBob edition car. Let's put it in the collection box. Join. Let's find some more toys. Oh friends, I got to see one toy. Let's see. What is this? Oh friends, it's an auto rickshaw. A green color auto rickshaw, friends. Very nice quality toy. Let's put it in the collection box. Oh friends, as you can see, we have so much toys in our collection box. Let's fulfill it by more toy. Let's fulfill it. Where we can get a toy. Oh friends, I got a old type yellow and black color classic car. Let's put it in collection box. Join. Let's find some more toys in this jungle where we can get some toys. We are not getting any toys, friends. Oh friends, I got a airplane at the top of that rock. Whoa friends, it's the Airbus Super Deluxe airplane. Very nice quality plane, friends. Whoa, let's put it in our collection box. Join. So friends, our collection box is full. As you can see, there is no space, friends. We have collected so much toys in this jungle. So like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye. Join.